The objective and requirements of FAL 1965 and LCC 1967 and Maritime Insurance, Liability and Protest. The presentation will explore the key objective and requirements of three critical marine regulation, the PAL 1965 on facilitation of international maritime traffic, the LLMC 1976 on limitation of liability for marine claims, and the consideration around marine insurance, liability, and protest. Overview of PAL 1965 Palit, fa- Facilitation of International Maritime Traffic. The key objectives is PAL 1965 aims to facilitate and expedite international maritime traffic by simplifying and minimizing the formalities, documentary requirements, and procedures associated with the arrival, stay, and departure of the ships. And the key requirements is it mandates the uses of standard documents, requires efficient processing of ships' cargo, and promotes cooperation between authorities streamline maritime operations. LLMC 1976 Limitation of Liability for Marine Claims. Number 1 is Scope. The LLMC 1967 established a global framework for limiting the financial liability of ship owners and other maritime operators for certain types of claims. Two is objectives. It aims to promote the maritime industry by providing a predictable and equitable system for addressing liability issues, encouraging investment and trade. And lastly, number three, key requirements. The convention specifies strict criteria for when limitation of liability applies and the calculation of liability limits based on vessel tonnage. Marine insurance and liability and practice. Managing maritime risk. Marine insurance comprehensive coverage for vessels, cargo, and liabilities, protecting maritime operators from financial losses due to accident, theft, or other risks. Liability management. Careful compliance with regulation and contracts to minimize exposure to claims, including through limitation of liability mechanisms. Protest, protest procedures. Formal process to dispute charges, delays, and other issues, pre- preserving rights and seeking compensation or resolution. Key takeaways and next steps. Streamline marine operations. So FAL 1965 facilitate efficient international maritime traffic through standardization process and cooperation between authorities. Balance liability regimes. LLMC 1967 provides a predictable system for addressing maritime issues, promoting investment and trade. The comprehensive risk of this management is maritime insurance, liability management, and protest procedures help maritime operators a wide range of risks. And lastly, ongoing compliance and review. Staying up to date on regulatory changes and best practices is crucial for effective implementation.